Good morning, everybody! What? When? How? Where? Doesn't matter, I'm back on vlogging! Today is a very special clip. I'm gonna talk about my dreams, how I have achieved them. Yay! So don't go anywhere, I'll be back in a minute. Right, I am back. People keep asking me why I can't upload my vlogs consistently. Why I can't upload my vlogs consistently. That's the only one thing I can't do. I'm very busy and this editing things, it takes like 4 to 5 hours and it's really, either I have to leave my full-time job or I have to divorce my partner to do all this. I can't do both of them. Anyway, let's crack on the vlog. How I have achieved my dreams. I'm sure guys, if you watch this clip, all of it, you will go with one thing will help you in your life and you will be successful. Well, how I have achieved my dreams is when I came to UK, my first aim was to learn the language. I have learned the language. First of all, the first rule of achieving your goals or dreams are to be focused. No matter where you are, no matter what age you are, you have to be focused on your dreams. When I was 7 years old, I used to see people graduating and wearing their black hats, black gowns. I loved it, man, and that was my dream to achieve. Trust me, when I came here, I learned language, I did my GCSE, and then I went to college. And guess what? I went to university as well, yes! And I have achieved my dream.
Listen to your soul. Never give up.
You see, I have come to this stage after fighting so many stages. I didn't bother because I was focused. There was a time when my partner came home and he didn't like me studying on the computer all the time. I used to work nights. Daytime I used to sleep and I used to study between 6 and 8 in the evening, and then I used to go on my shift like starts 10 o'clock midnight till next day 6 o'clock. So whenever my partner came home, he didn't like me being on the computer. So one day we literally had an argument and I said, look, I am in university, I need to do my projects, I need to do my reports, and there is lots of things needs exploring on the internet. I need to sit down and focus and concentrate. But he didn't like it. He argued with me. And then there was a time when I thought, okay, let go of my studies, put everything behind. I'm not gonna complete my studies. I'll just look after for my marriage. But then suddenly a voice came. I don't know where a voice came in my mind, you know. I was like laying down on the bed and somebody told me, listen, nobody is gonna be losing anything if you leave your studies. Everybody is gonna go on their ways. Everybody will be happy in their life. Only you are the one who's gonna be losing. So I gave it a second thought. I said, yeah, it's only I am the one who's gonna be the loser. I'm the one who's gonna be losing my career, my future. What am I doing? So at that stage, I thought, just ignore everybody, even ignore my partner. I have ignored him. So let him do whatever he's doing, put him back, put myself in the gear, and I just boom, focus on it again, and I've achieved it. So you need to be focused. You have to be strong to ignore people around you. That could be your own mother, could be your own sister, could be your own friends, employer. They might distract your way of achieving your goals. So you need to think, you need to plan how to be on your goals path. This was the first goal I have achieved in my life. This was my childhood dream. I got it because I fought with my culture, because in my childhood they didn't want me to study. So I have proved them, look, I can do it. So this is the first one. Let's jump on to the second one. The second thing I would say, you have to be patient. Why? Because the dream you have seen in your childhood might become true when you are adult, like maybe after 10 years, after 15 years, after 20 years, you'll achieve your dream. You have to be patient. Sometimes what happens, people dream about something, they jump into it to achieve it, and then after some times they say, oh no, this is so difficult, I can't give a time to it, I don't have time to do it. I mean, all these things are barriers. So you have to be strong to achieve your dreams. You have to be hard worker, very, very hard worker to achieve your dreams. My next dream was to have my own house, because since my childhood in my parents' house, nobody gave me a chance to do my own things. I mean, whenever I wanted to do something, I was told, well, do it when you go into your own house. Where is my own house? You know, which one is my own house? From the childhood, that was my second dream. And I did work hard, and thanks God, today I live in my own house. I mean, it is, yeah, right, mortgage, but still my own house. And I have achieved it by working hard. Day and night, I used to work very hard, and I achieved it. So, you need to be a hard worker. My third dream was to have a farm, like a natural life. I love farming life. I love country lifestyle. I like natural things, you know. So I always dreamed of it. When I came to this house, I had a massive big garden. So what I did is I built up chicken coop myself. And I did put in it some chickens, like I have 4 chickens and 1 cockerel. So my dream has come true again. Let me show you my chickens. Right, to achieve your goals, you have to look at the things with your open eyes. Trust me, not dreaming while you're asleep. No, the dreams you see while you're asleep are faded. They are not true dreams. You need to dream while your eyes are open, okay? When you start dreaming while your eyes are open, you will definitely, okay, take my words, you will definitely achieve 75% of your goals, of your dreams. So try to look at your dreams while you are awake. Say for example, you're traveling in a bus, okay? You are crossing open field. So just look at your dreams with your open eyes, that you own that field. You have sheep, you have cows, you have horses running around. All these dreams will motivate you to work hard. You are focused on your goal and you want to achieve that goal. So 75% of that goal, you will definitely gonna achieve it. My next goal was, when I made my last clip of Rich Boys of UK with their sports cars, I said one day I am gonna drive these cars. So I have fulfilled my dream because I had an opportunity to drive Lamborghini and Ferrari, so why not? Let's do it. So I have achieved that goal as well.
Listen to your soul. Never give up.
Yes, please.
Get out. How was that?
Beautiful.
Nice.
Mind-blowing experience.
How's that? Right, just take you, give you a bit of hand.
Thank
There
you.
you go.
Thank
All
you.
right, you're welcome.
This was my first car.
Okay, if you want to jump in for me.
Yep. Hey, where did you put this?
Yeah, put that away as well in the bag before we go, please.
Listen to your soul. Listen to your soul. Listen to your soul.
Give me one
Thank you.
minute.
Sharp.
There we go. We have done it. And last but not least, my childhood dream was to come and work on TV. But because my family was from awkward culture, they never encouraged women to do anything. They said, and no means no. Okay, no means no. If I want to do something against their wish, then I will be like, so no means no. So this wish, I have achieved it now by coming on YouTube. There are so many people who watch me on big screens at home. Isn't it, Connie? Tell me, Connie, am I right or wrong? Billy, tell me, Billy, am I right or wrong? These are my friends who sit down at home and watch me on big screens. So, thanks God, my dream is come true. The people are watching me. People do like me, people are subscribing me. Thank you very much for everybody who have subscribed me so far. You are the one who are encouraging me to carry on making vlogs. You are the one, my source of inspiration. That's why I keep my vlogging up and down, here and there, everywhere. So before I wrap up my vlog, I will just say success lies in no time, in no circumstances, or not on any place. The success is in you, yourself. So try to explore it and try to achieve it. That is your dreams come true. So I'm sure you will like my today's clip, and before you go, don't forget to click on subscribe, like it, share it, and I hope to see you in my next vlog. So till next time, you take a good care of yourself. Bye bye.